all those, and that makes it a good college. Now another recognition for the colleges from the government of India, they have a Atal ranking institutions of innovation framework, right? And in that ARIA innovation framework, it is ranked as a excellent band. So that is, it is recognized in the A top category colleges in terms of excellence, right? So overall about this college, New Horizon College of Engineering is an autonomous college, and it's affiliated to VTU. It's approved by ACT and UGC, and it's from the NAC rating perspective, NBA, it's a NAC A grade college. And this college is located in Bangalore in Marthahalli area. So that region is completely surrounded by good number of IT and MNCs companies, and that's the reason this college has an excellent engineering placement as well as MCA and MBA, right? So this is, I'm not going to talk about the engineering placements. Around 800 students get placed there. But overall, you see here, it has got 20 years of excellence, and it's very innovative. So 201 plus patents have been filed by the different students there. Now, before going to the MCA review directly, I will go to the sneak peek of the infrastructure which is there in the college, so that you be aware of what type of college you are going to join. So this is one of the view. The temple is inside the campus, you can see. And there, apart from that, it has a decent facilities across other pieces, which is, your auditorium and everything I'll cover here. But library information system department. So this is the entrance, and as I said, auditorium is a 700 seater, designed as per the international standards, and good for the students, who are going to attend the guest lectures, and the faculty who are going to conduct, different paper presentations, seminars, workshop, debates, right? So these are some of the pictures of those auditoriums. Extremely super, and 700 seater, as I told. And apart from auditorium, they have a conference hall, all excellently designed, and these are some pictures of that. And they do have a seminar hall, so some of those makes here, a couple of them at least, you can see. And apart from that, video conference hall, so this is one of that view. And the lecture halls, regular students where attend the classes. So this is the view of that. And apart from that, there is also good number of facilities for the sports, which is a indoor sports as well as the outdoor side. So indoor, this is indoor arena, and they do have a gym, indoor gym as well as the outdoor gym. So those are more from the sports features and everything. And they do have a hostel, so that is a different thing I'm not going to cover. But I'll directly come to the MCA part. So MCA course is a 2 years 4 semester course, and this is also one of the picture of the MCA, but it is a cafeteria's picture actually. And this is MCA department, which is part of the same campus as the New Horizon College of Engineering in Marthahalli. And these are the MCA classrooms. So these are the ones which are the MCA classrooms. And now let's move to the MCA department. Itself was formed in 2002, so it is 20 years, and it offers MCA and the PhD courses in computer application. So those are two programs, and as I already said, this college is an autonomous college, and this MCA program is autonomous and affiliated to VTU. So the minimum criteria to get into this is, from the percentage perspective, 50% marks in the degree examinations, and 45% for SC/ST, and you should be the resident of Karnataka. So there are two modes basically, MBA and MCA for both the programs. It is applicable that if you can write to pgcet, which is for the government seats for the Karnataka residents, and through KMAT you can also get the management seats, which are for the non-Kannada residents, right? So those are the way, and it is applicable for both the MCA and MBA course, right? So MBA I will review tomorrow. And in terms of infrastructure, it has a good amount of infrastructure for laboratories, with the basic programming, all the type of different R&D labs, internet, multimedia and all. And they do have a lot of software installed on those systems which enable, right? So they all completely align with the structure of their VTU MCA program, and the semester systems are based on that, right? So that's more towards the education part. Now coming to the placement part. So this last year there were around 60 students. This was 2021 student placement, and 60 students got placed. So some of the students got placed in Capgemini, Talvarage, Japanese companies Starland, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS. So this is a list of, I'm just going to through I'm not going to much spending some time, but it is a first 12 students you can see in this sheet, right? And those are around 5 different companies, right? And then this is the second page where you saw the see the company called Ambitel Technologies, where initially 6 to 7 students are there. Then there's a financial company, Envision Financial Services, MCA, 1 student is there. Tulip Digital is there, 3 students. Applied Materials, the MNC company, 1 student. And the Service Line Solutions, 2 students. So this is another 14 students. Then this is the next list with the Test Wagon, which is another 4 students, and Tulip Ninja 4, around 6 to 7 students. Yeah, Nalabar 1 student, and Pure Solutions. So most of the companies are on the first sheet was MNCs, but here many of the companies are the mid-sized companies. But at least a good thing is that the placements are there for the students. So I have reviewed a lot of other MCA colleges, and this is for more bigger companies. You see Capgemini, 3 students. Cerner, which is a very good company, another 1 student. Telvar is another 3 student, and so on. And CTS, you see 2 students. Similarly, 1 Infosys, 2 TCS, Ambitel, another 6 students here you see. So that's what more or less the students which